Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are Mrinal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And hi, Ramcharan, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how are you guys? And what is going on these days?
I'm fine, sir. Nothing is going on.
Nothing
Just
is going
waiting
on.
for classes to start.
For chemistry or for
Yeah,
others also?
for others also.
For others also. Okay. And what about you, Ram?
Nothing, sir. Same.
Okay. So, okay. Have you ever taken any other AP courses before, or this is the first time you have taken any AP course?
This is the first time, sir.
So
First time.
you, okay, both of you are first time. So what idea, why, first of all, why you have chosen the AP? Like, what is the plan of action you have in your mind?
To get more credits.
That is fine. Like, the admission in the universities, do you have that thing in your hand currently? Have you given SATs or something?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. SAT and IELTS.
Sorry, SAT and?
IELTS.
Okay. So, okay, then it's fine. That's good. So then AP is, for us, AP is something extra, you can say. Can you see my screen now? Yeah,
Yes,
I can.
sir.
Okay. So AP is used for something extra, for us to be have some advantage. Okay. So like, achha, one more thing, let me clear you first. Are you guys okay? In which board you are currently studying in? CBSE, ICSE, IB, IGCSE, Cambridge, what?
CBSE, sir.
And Ram?
SSC, sir.
SSC.
Yes, sir.
This is what? Some state board?
Yes, sir. State board, sir.
Okay, state board. Okay. So if you are from state board or CBSE, this AP chemistry, okay, there is another guy. Hi, Lokesh. Hello. Just a second. Let us wait for him. Lokesh, can you hear me? Hi. Good morning, Lokesh. Can you now hear me? Huh? I am unable to hear you if you are saying speaking something, but I hope you can hear me, right? Okay. I was discussing about this AP chemistry and everything like that. Okay. Okay. So Lokesh, I want to ask you also, like, from which board you are currently from? CBSE, ICSE, whatever. IB.
Yes,
Sorry.
SSC,
ICSE or ISC?
SSC.
Okay, you are also from SSC. Okay. Cool. Now listen to me carefully. If you are giving the APs for the first time, this is very um like say you say it's a very unique experience with the AP you will be having. Why I am saying like that? Because whatever state boards you are having, whatever CBSE exams you are having, AP is not that difficult, first of all. People have myths that AP is much more difficult as compared to our state boards, as compared to our CBSE board or whatever. No, not at all. AP is a basic chemistry course. It's a basic chemistry course. Remember this thing. Okay. What is AP? Chemistry especially. Let us go deep down into this. Can you see my screen, right? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Cool
Yes,
then.
sir.
So AP chemistry is basically a course in which you will be dealing with small things, but in a very large detail. Small things, very small things. Like you might be have all if you are all in 11th class or maybe in 12th class, then you might have heard about atomic mass, right? Today, in today's class, you will be feeling that atomic mass. Does that feel of something is important in AP chemistry? The feel, nothing else. Okay, sir. So, how the AP chemistry exam gets conducted? Let me tell you about this thing. So, we are having two sections. One is called MCQ, another is called FRQs. MCQs and FRQs. Okay. MCQ, you will be having 60 questions and you will be given time of 1 hour 30 minutes. Remember this. Time is very, very important for us. 1 hour 30 minutes will be given to you to solve the 60 MCQs. We don't know for how much marks they will give us MCQ. We don't know. It's like it will always change. Second thing, for FRQs, you will be only having 7 questions and you will be given with 1 hour 45 minutes to complete this section. And out of this 7, 3 and 4 distribution is there. What is sir 3? This is 3 is long answer type questions and 4 is short answer type question. 3 long, 4 short will be asked to you. Sir, how much long it will be? Maybe 8 to 10 parts can be there in one question. Like it's a part question. Let's say first part is from mole and stoichiometry unit. Second part maybe it's from atomic structure unit. Third part is from bonding unit. Might be like that. Okay. But this 4 short questions, they are, I think, they might be having 2 to 4 parts, first of all, and they are little tricky. This is a tricky section. So what we can understand from here, see, what I will tell you with my experience, don't go to FRQ first at all. Do all the MCQ first. All the MCQ. Out of this 60, if you are with me, I am assuring you that you will be able to score more than 45 without any problem. You have to follow me. By closed eyes, you have to follow me. By the blind eyes, you have to trust me. You have to follow me
Sir,
that, okay, sir, you will be able to do that. Yeah, it's totally fine.
can't we do a 60 out of 60?
That's up to you. It's up to your practice. 45, I am assuring from my side that okay, if you do this content, just this content, in the class itself, I'm not saying homework. Okay, if you do homework, 60 out of 60 is also fine. You will get it easily. Whatever I am teaching here in the class, 45 questions you can do from that itself.
Sir,
For
you're
60,
telling for MCQs we don't know how many marks will they'll give for. On an average, what do you think it will be?
I will tell you. Wait, see, here the weightage is actually 50%. Here also the weightage is actually 50%. Now we don't know how much marks the paper would be for. Maybe it can be of 100 marks, maybe it can be of 120 marks, maybe it can be of 140 marks also. No issue. But the weightage will remain same. If this is 50%, this will also be 50%. That is for sure. Okay, clear? You guys can turn on your videos there. It's a connective class. It's not like I am coming here to bore you. No. Okay, you will be really finding it interactive. You guys, it's early morning. Maybe you can turn on your class. I think so. You guys also go to school in your early days, right? Maybe till your 10th class. So you have a habit to wake up early, I guess, isn't it? Okay, it's totally up to you. If possible, please do it. It will be more connected with me. Then let us come on to this part. 3 long, 4 short. Sir, what is this 3 long, 4 short? I seriously am speaking with you guys. No one can score full marks in this section, FRQ section. Now you'll ask me, what is full marks, sir? 50 or 50% out of 50%, right? No one will be able to score that. So how much people score? 10% out of that 50%. Maybe this is the maximum I'm saying, 10%, maybe 5% also. But still, they can get 5 on 5 in AP. How? Because the cutoff is so low. Because the cutoff is so low. I'm not telling you what is the cutoff, but remember that this is getting rise and rise as years are getting progressing. Getting this point? So And sir, the answer to this part, that why people are not able to score more than 10% marks out of that 50% for the FRQs, this you will get as soon as we are going towards the classes, as soon as we are learning the content. I will tell you. See, there was a workshop recently happened. In that, the you know who conducts AP exam? Any idea? Who conducts AP?
College board.
College board. So college board, the people from college board itself come to give us workshop, and they were explaining why people are not able to get the marks. So we now know what is happening. Why is it happening? Okay, so that thing will not be repeated now. This time, this percentage will seriously be rising and will be reaching around 30% out of 50%. So we should aim at least this. I'm saying you can do 50% by 50% also, no issue. But at least this much is required. If you want 5 on 5, plus MCQs are required. That is it. Start the paper with MCQ. That is my suggestion to you. Start always the paper with the MCQ. Never start the paper with FRQs. I will tell you later why I am saying like that. But let us begin with the unit and everything. I hope you are clear with the basic introduction for AP exams, right?
Yes, sir.
At least for chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Syllabus
Other,
पता है ना, sir?
sorry.
Syllabus, can you tell what is the syllabus will be?
Okay. Have you seen CBSE syllabus, SSC syllabus anytime? All
Yeah,
of you?
yeah.
Okay. You remove all the organic chemistry from there.
So there is no organic chemistry.
No organic chemistry. Remove all the organic chemistry part. Remove 12th class inorganic part as well.
So no D and F.
No D and F, no coordination, nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Rest, everything is there.
Fine.
Rest, everything is there. So that means, sir, you are talking about like we have to deal with a 1 year and 6 months syllabus in this short period of time. Is it possible for us to complete it? 100%. 100% is possible to complete that. If you are thinking it's a huge syllabus, it's not. It's a very, very easy going syllabus. Be with me. Okay, let us begin. Other two. Okay, Mrinal is contacting with me. Other two. What
Yes,
about you
sir.
guys? Fine.
Got it, sir.
What is the okay? All of you can unmute yourself. There's no problem in unmuting yourself also. You can do that. It's totally up to you. This is our first class. Okay, 10 minutes are already wasted. No issue. I will be teaching 10 minutes extra. Don't worry about that. Uh, you guys can keep yourself unmuted, and if possible, please turn on your videos as well. Acha, one more thing. I'll be giving you homework after every class. After every class, you'll be getting homework. Please try to do that before the next class happens. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Lokesh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then let us begin now. Fine. Okay, so here our first unit is mole. Okay, let me discuss mole. Do you know I can eat one banana? There's not a problem, right? We can eat one banana, no issue. Yes, sir. We can also eat a dozen of bananas. A dozen of bananas, or maybe we can have a dozen of bananas from the market. We can go, we can purchase a dozen of bananas, right? So, what does you mean by a dozen of bananas? What do you mean by that? Any one of you can answer. What is this unit dozen called?
12 bananas.
12
12.
bananas. Everybody agree? 12
Yes, sir.
bananas? Okay. Similarly, like you have defined the unit called dozen, we can also define another unit or another quantity of unit called a mole. A mole of bananas I can also take. Sir, how much the quantity in a mole carries? It carries 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 bananas. Remember this value. As you remember the value for a dozen, you have to remember the value for a mole of a substance. Now this is a mole of bananas. You can take a mole of any substance which you want. Maybe it can be for a chemistry purpose, some chemical elements or anything. Anything in your daily life also. I am having my phone, right? This. So I can take a mole of phones. That means I will be having 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 phones. Who will use these much phones? Acha, who can eat these many bananas? Tell me in their entire lives. No one. 10 to the power 23. No one will be having this much appetite to eat these much bananas. I hope it is clear. Yeah. So similarly, we can here define 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Can I? Yes, sir. So what does 1 mole of oxygen atoms contain? Sir, it will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. I hope it is clear. Definitely. Definitely. These many oxygen atoms we will be having. I said, okay. Now, let us go to 1 mole of oxygen molecules. Now, what is oxygen molecule? Can you guys tell me?
2 oxygen atoms.
Okay, it is O2, right? If I am saying oxygen molecule, it is what? So it is a natural occurring state of oxygen, which is O2. Molecule, in the form of a molecule, right? O2. Okay. So how many atoms will you be having in O2 molecule?
2.
Only 2 atoms. In 1 mole, I am saying, sorry. 1 mole of oxygen atoms, oxygen molecule, how many atoms of oxygen you will be having?
2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
10
Very good. 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen's atoms you will be having now. Sir, what is this 2 called? What is this 2?
We have atoms in a molecule. That's why.
So that means it is called its atomicity. Remember, it's called its atomicity. Sir, what is atomicity? Let us take another example of CH4. If I ask you guys, what is the atomicity of CH4? How many atoms of any species, of any kind you are having in CH4?
1 carbon and 4 hydrogen.
So how many total atoms we have? 5,
5.
right?
5.
So sir, it will be 5. It will be having 5 atomicity. I hope it is clear. So this is how atomicity is defined. Nothing else. Remember that. What is atomicity? This is atomicity. No one will ask you definitions in AP chemistry. No one. Remember, no one will ask you definitions. Okay? Directly they will ask you the practical based questions regarding that. Acha, sir, one more thing. If someone writes 1 mole of oxygen, they are asking how many oxygen atoms will you be having into it? What will be your answer then? Any idea?
6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
Okay, one answer I got. Other two. Other two. Fast, quick.
Same, sir.
Lokesh.
2. Like same.
Okay. You are saying that 1 mole of oxygen will be containing 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, oxygen atoms. But you haven't asked me, sir. You are talking about oxygen atom or you are talking about oxygen molecule. I have not defined here, right? As I defined in the previous cases, like here and here, I have not defined here that I am going to take oxygen atoms or I am going to take oxygen molecules. Then how you are guys so sure that we are only able to take 6.022 and 10 oxygen atoms? We'll be only having this. It's not like that. You have to think. If nothing is written over here, you have to think then that, sir, what is the naturally occurring state for oxygen?
O2.
Natural occurring state, which
O2.
is
O2.
O2. So that means it will be 2 into 6.022 and 10 to the power 23. That means, sir, if nothing is written over there, you have to assume that they are always talking about their naturally occurring states. Now, my next question to you guys. Do you know what is the natural occurring state of each of the elements present in the periodic table? Let us quickly go to that as well. Let me start with the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. And the second period also beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. What is their naturally occurring state? Do they exist in their elemental form only, atomic form only, as solids because they are metals, or they get combined also? What is the thing?
They get combined with other atoms.
Oh, in the nature, like in the natural occurring state, okay, you guys don't know it. Okay, for the metals, all metals exist as solids in their natural occurring states. in this manner. I know you will be thinking of, okay, sir, in the metallurgy, we learn this that, okay, beryllium, magnesium, to separate our pure magnesium, we need to do many processes, right? I know that. But for now, remember that all the metals exist in their solid forms, in their natural occurring states, nothing else. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
All the transition metals are also same. All the transition metals are also same, not a problem. Okay, just one thing is different, sir, that the mercury, it is also a metal, but it is liquid in nature. I hope it is clear. One thing is an exception, you can say. Mercury is a liquid. Mercury is the only metal which is liquid. Fine, sir. Then comes to the other elements, let us say carbon. How does carbon exist in its natural occurring state? Any idea? Hey, are you guys
CO2.
asleep?
Gas.
No, carbon does not exist in gas.
वो diamond or allotropic form का graphite. It's
Okay,
graphite.
one answer I got, ki sir, okay, it is solid because diamond and graphite both are solids, right? It
Yeah.
is a solid substance, but then carbon solid is also having multiple allotropes.
Yes.
What allotropes, sir? We are having
Diamond.
carbon solid as diamond.
Graphite.
Sir, we are also having graphite,
Fullerene.
having fullerenes as well. Fullerenes as well. Everything is there. Sir, out of that, which form will you take? We take graphite. We take graphite. Remember this thing. We are not taking diamond, we are not taking fullerenes, we are taking only graphite. So carbon naturally occurring state is carbon solid graphite. Then let us further move to nitrogen. How does nitrogen exist in nature?
Gaseous form.
Only N gas. Shall I write like this? Shall I write like this? N gas,
N2.
N2 gas. How does O exist in nature?
O2
O2.
gas.
O2 gas. How does F exist in nature?
F2 gas.
F2 gas. Very good. Okay, be with me. Then how does Cl exist in nature?
Cl2 liquid.
Cl2.
No, wrong. Cl2 is also a gas.
Yes.
How does Br exist in nature? Br2 liquid. Then how does I exist in nature? I2 solid. Very, very important. Sir, what is the color of this bromine?
Brown.
Dark brown.
Orangish brown color, not dark brown. Orangish brown color. Or leave all the misconceptions which you have. This is the actual chemistry going on here. Okay, that small detail is even very important for us. What is the color? I am not saying you have to memorize the color for F2 and Cl2 as well. No. For Br2 we require. So what is the color of this I2 solid?
Bluish.
No. It is grayish.
Yellow.
No. It is grayish. Metallic grayish, shiny grayish color you are having for this. And sir, once you vaporize this, provide heat to this, it will form I2 gas in its vaporized form. The color of this is violet. Violet vapors you will be seeing. Very, very important. Please make your own notes. Take a pen, paper, take your iPad, whatever you have. Take it, write it, whatever I am writing over here as well. And try to revise that regularly. Please take a note of it. Okay. I hope I can expect you that you will be able to form that you are forming notes, right? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Other two also, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Cool then, fine. Okay. Let us now go to sir. Okay, you told me that okay, sir, 1 mole of oxygen molecules is something like this. Big number we are having 10 to the power 23 types of number, right? So, is there any way to calculate the number of moles? Yes, there is a very, very simple way to calculate number of mole, which is weight in grams divided by molecular weight. Divided by molecular weight, or you can say atomic weight, anything. Now, so you guys can start you can say a new controversy with me that sir here it should be the molar mass. Who will say? You might have read this thing on your first unit of your all the state exams or the CBSE exams, right? That, sir, in the denominator part, we always have molar mass, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But it's not. NCRT is wrong. Seriously speaking, NCRT is wrong. It's not molar mass. I will prove it to you today. That also. Okay, sir. This is the first formula using which you can calculate number of moles. This weight in grams is the weight of sample which they will give you. Weight of sample given. And you have to put it in gram units. In which units? Gram. Okay, sir. Then, sir, acha, do you guys know what is the unit for atomic mass or molecular mass? The molecular weight or molecular mass? Any idea?
AMU.
Totally agree. Anything else? Anyone else? Anybody else? Atomic mass or molecular mass unit? Do we know? It's not only AMU. I'm asking some other also. Some other unit. Maybe you know. Acha, okay, tell me one more thing then. What do you guys write here when you will be calculating, when you calculate number of moles, what do you guys write here as a unit?
Grams.
No, not grams. We write here grams per mole. Gram mole inverse. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
put, you put this unit here, gram per mole, right? Now you might be thinking, sir, yes, gram per mole. But isn't it the unit for molar mass? No, no, it's not the unit for molar mass. Listen carefully. Okay, let us think that how it is able to form a mole. If I am having grams here, grams to grams will be cancelled out. The units can also be subtracted, added, and whatever you can say, divided, and multiplied. Everything is possible with the units also. So gram to gram will be cancelled out. So this mole inverse will go above because it's a mole inverse. It will go above. It will form a mole. So that means for this number of mole, you are getting the unit as mole, isn't it? Getting this point? I cancel gram with gram.
Yes,
Mole
sir.
inverse will go above. So it will be getting a unit of mole now. I said, okay, sir, it's very good, very easy. I said, okay. That means this formula is 100% correct. Yeah. The other formula is also there, which is number of mole is equal to the number of species divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Yes, this is also correct. Acha, is there any unit for number of species? Any units for number of species? Shall I define? It's a digit, sir. It's
Yeah.
only a digit. You don't have any unit for some number of species. Let us say I'm having 10 mobile phones. It's just 10. No units. It's not 10 meter. It's not 10 gram. No, no units. So, sir, if you want to find the number of mole, if this formula is correct, then and you want to find out the number of moles, so what should be the unit for this value?
Mole inverse.
Mole inverse, very good. So this mole inverse will go above and you will be getting number of mole. Here. It is clear to you, all of you, that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, this value is having a unit called mole inverse.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes,
Other two
sir.
are
Yes,
cool.
sir.
Cool. So this is the another formula. Okay, sir, any other formula we have to calculate the number of mole? Yes, we are having. Number of mole is also equal to volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4 decimeter cube or liter. Anything. Or like, let's write or here. Decimeter cube or liter. Just a second. Or liter. Okay. So, sir, what is 1 decimeter cube? In liters, it is basically 1 liter. What is 1 centimeter cube, sir? It is 1 ml. Note this unit conversion, please. 1 decimeter cube is 1 liter. 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. Very simple. Clear? Okay, it's fine for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you one more thing then. Here. Sir, on the top, you are putting a volume of a gas. It might be in liters, it might be in decimeter cubes, and both are the same things, right? I can let us say assume that it is decimeter cubes. So if I cancel out decimeter cube with decimeter cube, then it is not giving me a mole, isn't it? Then, sir, you have done some mistake here. The 22.4, it is not only decimeter cube or liter. It should be decimeter cube or liter
Per
mole in
mole in per mole.
mole inverse. It will go above, form a mole. Again, same thing. Same thing. Remember this part also. That the denominator of this value 22.4, the value of 22.4 is having a unit which is decimeter cube mole inverse. They will ask this. They will now, yeah. I told you now, people are not able to score marks in this FRQ section. Why? First reason, they don't know units. You guys also don't know units, many units, and they will not do step marking. Do you know what is a step marking? Okay, if you have done some steps, if you have written some steps, you will be getting some marks, right? In AP, it's not like that. Either it's all marks or it's a zero. Either you can go this side or you can go this side. This is a zero, this is full marks. Nothing in between they will give. So if a simple unit conversion also or simple unit you have missed, gone, zero. Clear? So we just have to be careful. Be careful about the units, whatever you are writing. Now, sir, that means everything which you have, whatever you are writing here is equal to what? Is equal to the number of mole itself. Yeah. So can we form here a Y map kind of structure? A Y map. What is Y map, sir? We write mole in between. And I am asking you all guys now, how will you convert mole into number of species?
Mole in
How, sorry?
mole into 6.023 into 10 power 20.
Multiplied by, sir, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. How will you go back? If I want to convert number of species to mole, how will you do that?
Divide
Divide
it.
by number.
So divide by is the same number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. I said, okay. Let us say I want to now go to mass of sample. How can you form it? Mass of sample, how will you convert it from
Into
mole to mass?
molecular weight.
Into
Molecular.
atomic mass
Atom.
or molecular mass you multiply. Isn't it? If you if you want to go from mass to mole, sir, we will divide it. We will divide it by the same value. Yes. Now, last one. Let us say you want to go from mole to volume of sample at STP. Volume at STP. How will you do that?
Multiply by
Multiplied by
22.4.
22.4.
Multiply by 22.4.
Multiplied by 22.4, and if the reverse should be happening, volume to mole,
Divide by
so we have to
22.
divide it. That means everything can be interconverted. So if someone is given me mass of a sample and someone is asking me volume of a sample at STP, I can do that. I can first convert mass to mole and then mole to volume by this method, by the multiplication or division of something, some value. Is it okay? If mass is given, I can find out number of species as well. If mass is given, I can find out volume as well. If number of species is given, I can find out mass as well. Everything is interrelated. That is why this Y map is very, very important for us. Please draw it. And then I will tell you what do we mean by STP. I will ask you guys first. What do we mean by STP?
Standard
Do-
temperature and pressure.
Sorry?
Standard temperature and pressure.
That is the full form. I just want to ask you about what is the temperature there, what is the pressure there.
180 m and 27 degrees Celsius.
Who told you it's 27 degrees Celsius? From where are you guys? I also don't know. From where students are getting so much confusion. No, it's not 27 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Celsius. It's basically 0 degrees Celsius. Yes, it's a 273 Kelvin basically. Please correct it in your minds also, in your notes also, everywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Is this written? Can I move further? I'll be sharing the notes also, don't worry. If you are unable to write very fast, you can complete it at your home. No issue. So moving ahead, right? Shall I?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cool. Uh, Let us now say, because you have a little bit idea for chemistry, if I am writing something like this, a element X, Z and A over here, what does Z mean and what does A means? Can you tell me? What is Z, what is A? Anyone?
Z is atomic number and A is atomic mass.
Okay. Wrong. Actually, it's wrong. Z is atomic number, A is called mass number.
Mass number, sir.
Okay, sir, Z is atomic number, you said. Anything else we can also say to Z? Any
Number of
extra, any other thing?
protons.
Number of protons.
Protons.
Number of protons. That is totally fine for us. Okay, sir. Then for mass number, what I can say? Something
Number
like
of
this in terms of number.
nucleons.
Number of
Nucleons.
nucleons. Sir, what does nucleon consist of? What they consist
Proton
of?
and neutron.
Neutrons and protons.
It's basically the sum of number of protons plus number of neutrons. Isn't it? Yes. Can I select
Yes.
that? Okay, very good, very good. Then, if you understood this part, then I can start with the first mass. Okay, mole concept is over for us. This is called the mass concept. You can put a heading on the top. It's called the mass concept. Mole is over. Done. That much only we have to know about mole. Done. This is mass. Now we are discussing multiple masses. See, first mass is relative atomic mass, represented by RAM. Represented by RAM, relative atomic mass. Do you, any of you, have any idea what the bookish definition says? I am repeating again, no one will ask you the bookish definition in AP exams. No one. But for the starting purpose, I want you guys to know this. But no need to memorize it. Yeah. Any idea what is the bookish definition for relative atomic mass says to us? Can I assume no?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, cool, no issue. See, the definition for relative atomic mass says to you that it is basically the mass of an atom on the top of any substance divided by 1/12 the mass of one C12 atom. What do you mean by, sir, mass of an atom of any substance? Let us assume that I am having a substance called H2SO4. I am out of that H2SO4, I am taking this sulfur as my atom. So what is the mass of this sulfur atom that I have to put on the top? Clear? That is the mass of an atom of any substance. In a substance, take a atom, put the mass of that atom here. Or in simple life, put the mass of the atom here. It might be a substance, it might not be a substance, it might be an element also, no issue. Clear? It's fine? This is okay? If
Yes,
you are
sir.
having a substance, out of that substance, take any atom, put the mass of that atom which you want to find, the relative atomic mass for. Okay?
But
If you
mass of
have
one
the
atom only.
mass of an atom, yeah.
One atom or many atoms?
No, one atom, one atom, one atom. That is why I
Okay,
have
sir.
written the mass of an atom. One atom.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay then. Now I will ask you another question. Tell me, if I am having a atom, this you might be seen in your class 9th or 10th books. Atom consists of a nucleus and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Can I say like that? As a basic theory?
Yes,
Something
sir.
like this? Tell me, atom is consist of what particles? Atom, we know that atom is the smallest unit for matter, but atom also has some subatomic particles, right? What are they? Neutron is there, proton is there, electron is there, isn't it? Yeah? Okay. Tell me, like, if these things are only there with which your atom is made up of, so the mass of an atom is coming due to these quantities only, due to the neutrons, protons, and electrons. The mass of any atom is due to the number of neutrons present in that, number of protons is present in that, and number of electrons is present in that quantity, isn't it? Tell
Yes.
me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine then. Do you know what is the mass of proton? One proton in grams maybe. Mass of one proton. Mass of one neutron. and mass of one electron. Any idea? How much it is?
1.6 into
1.66 into
10 to the power
into
of 20, 19.
no. Again misconception. 10 to the power minus 19 is charge on electron and proton. That is
Yes.
1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. That is a charge. I will tell you that later. But for now, it is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Same for the neutron as well, because neutron and proton is having almost a similar mass, 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Can we convert that into kgs as well? Quickly.
Yes,
Kg. I
sir.
want the answer in kgs. What is the answer in kgs then?
10 power minus 27.
10 power minus 27, or we can say 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. Here also same value. Then if I ask you what is the mass of electron, I think you might know this. It is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kgs. Now can you guys tell me which is bigger? Neutron proton mass is bigger or electron mass is bigger?
Proton.
Proton.
Okay. How much times it is bigger as compared to the mass of electron?
Almost 2000 times.
Almost 2000 times, sir. Sir, we are not able to feel that 2000 times here because this is also a very, very small quantity. 10 to the power minus 31. Sir, it is like I have to write 31 times 0 at least. My hand will be tired doing so. That many zeros we have. It is almost equal to 0 only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Definitely, sir. Similarly, the mass of 1 neutron is almost again equal to 0 because it is also minus 24. 24 times you have to write zeros. For us, for normal human beings, it is almost 0 only, isn't it? But now, or minus 27 if you take in kgs, it is very, very close to 0. Sir, but this is for us, for humans. You think about the subatomic particles, they are so small that in between them also, they are having a difference of around 2000 times the mass difference between them. Sir, what does the 2000 time means? Let us say my weight is, let us assume that it's 70 kgs. Now, if a guy exists in this world who is having 2000 times more mass as compared to me, then what will be the mass of that guy? Can you guys assume?
1
Can you
lakh
guys tell?
40,000.
Sir, 1,40,000 kg. You are saying that kind of a guy is existing in this universe. I said, okay, let us assume that it exists. And let us assume that it sits on me. What will happen with me? Sir, you will be crushed. Sir, you are gone. Crushed. Done. Your life is over. Finished. Isn't it? Think the same way. Think in the same way for proton and electron as well. Here, because we are humans, we feel the things in terms of a good amount of kgs, a good amount of grams, a good amount of something, which we can at least measure. So this 10 to the power minus 24, I cannot measure. I can't feel it. 10 to the power minus 37 also you can't measure. You cannot feel it. But this at least you can feel that, okay, if I am 70 kg, and if there is another guy which is 1,40,000 kgs, and if that guy sits on me, I am gone. This maybe you can feel, right? Then listen carefully. So if this is the scenario here also, 2000 times difference is there, then can I just neglect this mass? Because think that if a guy with 1,40,000 kg mass and I am standing nearby to that, will my mass be considered or can I neglect my mass? Sir, you can
Neglect.
neglect, no problem. Like 1,40,000 where and 70 where, nothing. Think of this way also, you are having giving someone 1,40,000 rupees and you are having 70 rupees at one hand. So no one will ask you this 70 rupees then. Okay? Yeah. So you can neglect this simply. I said okay. Then sir, how does the mass of an atom is made up of then? Just due to the protons and
Neutron.
neutrons. Yeah, very good. So let us now come back to this definition. Sir, you said that mass of an atom of any substance has to be put on the numerator side, isn't it? Yes. So mass of an atom is made up of what? Mass of total nucleons. Can I say like that? Because neutrons and protons combinedly called as nucleons.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divided by 1 by 12 the mass of one C12 atom. Sir, what do we mean by this C12 atom? C12 means it will be C612. Something like this. So, sir, if this value is 12 and this give you the total nucleons itself, so can I say it will be mass of 12 nucleons? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Both of you, other ones?
Yes, sir.
Mrinal, you also fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. Then I can also say here that mass of total nucleons means what, sir? Sir, you take mass of one nucleon, take mass of one nucleon and multiply it with total nucleons, whatever you are having, and divide it by 1 by 12 into we are having here mass of 12 nucleons, right? This is mass of 12 nucleons. Sir, mass of 12 nucleons means you take mass of one nucleon and multiply it with 12. So, sir, whatever is getting cancelled out, you cancel it out. What is getting cancelled out? 12 to 12 will be cancelled out. Mass of one nucleon to mass of one nucleon will also be cancelled out. That means, sir, the relative atomic mass, the RAM, is coming out to be equal to just the total nucleons, which is also equal to nothing but your mass number.
Mass number.
No one will say me it is atomic mass. It's not atomic mass, it is mass number. Are you guys mentioning any units here? Do you guys mention any units here when
No,
you are
sir.
writing A
No, sir.
here? No, sir, there is no unit. If there is no unit, then it's a number, it's a digit. It does not have any units. It's not an atomic mass then. It is a number, mass number. That means the relative atomic mass is nothing but equals to mass number itself. Sir, why this book gives us that much foolish definition then? Because this is actual definition from which where it is derived. We are interpreting this bookish definition and we got some results like this, that RAM is nothing but mass number. Done. Or you can say total nucleons. Done. Okay. Okay, clear? First
Yes.
mass is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool then. Fine. Okay. Now let us move further. Moving further, I am having another thing called atomic mass unit. Everyone might have heard about this thing. Atomic mass unit represented as 1 AMU or 1 U. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, anybody knows the bookish definition for atomic mass unit? Bookish definition for this? Or shall I write? No idea?
No idea, sir.
No.
Okay. 1 AMU is nothing but 1 by 12 of mass of 1 C12 atom. Done. This is the bookish definition for 1 AMU. 1 by 12 of mass of 1 C12 atom. Nothing else. Okay. Sir,
Sorry to disturb you, sir.
yeah, yeah.
You all should not switch on your video, sir. From next class,
I
it is
repeated sir
mandatory.
multiple times.
No, it is mandatory to switch on videos. Then only you'll be active. We'll have only 3 hours of classes, so you need to be very active. So SAR can teach, but you need to put efforts. AP means advanced level, very difficult. But SAR is an expert AP chemistry faculty. He's expert at AP. He knows how to get 5 out of 5 in AP. So someone is teaching IIT, he is not expert in AP, but Sir is expert in AP. He has been teaching only AP. Day and from morning to evening, he's spending time on teaching AP.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you.
so he is an expert in AP. So you need to utilize him. So you need to be active. You won't get such a faculty anywhere else. You need to switch on your videos, be active. So be among yourself competitive. Complete all the work Sir is giving. Then definitely you'll get 5 out of 5. That's it. Right now, switch on the videos. Charan and Lokesh, even Mrinal, from next time, he's connect to the system which has video. Okay, thank you, sir. I will even
Okay,
speak to
thank
their
you, sir.
parents and implement. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, sir.
As I mentioned, please turn on your videos. Yeah, you guys can wake up a little early, get yourself some brush up or something, and join the class. Okay, it's like thrice a week, right? It's not much for you. Now, this is the definition for 1 AMU, the bookish definition. It is 1 by 12th of mass of 1 C12 atom. My question to you guys, what will be the mass of 1 C12 atom? Can we change it? Can we convert it as we did for the previous case in the relative atomic mass? Yes, sir, we can do so. It is basically the mass of 12 nucleons. Yeah, it is basically the mass of 12 nucleons. And here also I can change it that it is 1 by 12 of mass of one nucleon into 12. Can I do like that? Yeah? Is it fine for you guys? 100% clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 12 to 12 will be cancelled out. Sir, 1 AMU is coming out to be equal to just mass of one nucleon, nothing else. It is basically coming out to be equal to mass of one nucleon. Put it in a box and listen to me again very carefully. 1 AMU is basically mass of one nucleon. What is the mass of one nucleon? Sir, mass of proton or mass of a neutron only, right? What is their mass in grams? If I ask, what is the mass of a proton or a neutron in grams? Just
1.66 into 10 to power of
1.66
minus.
10 power
so
minus
then
24.
1 AMU is nothing but 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams, isn't it? Yes. So that means, what does it mean? It simply means that the atomic mass unit is not a mass. It's not a mass. Sir, it's basically a unit conversion. See, I am converting grams into U or U into grams by multiplying or dividing by this factor. Can you guys feel it? It's not a mass, sir. Atomic mass unit is not a mass. It's basically a unit conversion, nothing else. Done. If you understood this point. That means, sir, if in life I ever have to convert my U units into my gram units, I have to multiply with this quantity. Isn't it? Again, I will be repeating this. If you have to ever in life convert from U units, you want to go from U units to gram units, you have to multiply with this quantity 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. I hope it is clear. Atomic mass unit is 100% clear to you guys, right?
Yes,
Remember,
sir.
atomic mass unit is not a mass, it's a unit conversion. Like you do for like this, 1 meter is what, like 100 centimeter. It's a unit conversion. It's nothing else. Similarly, this is also a unit conversion. Nothing else. I hope it is done. You have written all of this thing, right? Now I can move little further with the third mass, which is literally called your atomic mass or the molecular mass also you can study simultaneously. Molecular mass. So, sir, what does the bookish definition for atomic mass says? Any idea you guys have regarding this? Any idea? Bookish definition for the atomic mass. Anything you know? It's the basic thing, very basic thing. Sir, atomic mass, mass of an atom, nothing else. Mass of any atom which you are taking, it's that only, isn't it? So, sir, bookish definition for atomic mass represented by AM says that it is basically the mass of one atom, whatever atom you are taking. So can I convert it again? If it is a mass of one atom, can I say it is the mass of total nucleons present in that atom? Total nucleons present in the atom. Can I write like this again? I think it is getting repeated now, so you are able to understand, right? I can write in this way also because mass of an atom is consisting of only nucleons. So that is why I can write like this. Then, sir, mass of total nucleus present in that atom, I can convert it into mass of one nucleon into whatever number of nucleons you have into total nucleons. Isn't it? Can I do so? Can I? I need this confirmation. This is very important for us. Can I do so?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. In the next page, I am writing this thing again. Atomic mass is coming out to be equal to mass of one nucleon into total nucleons. Now, sir, let us go back. Let us go back a little and let us find out what was the total nucleons was coming equal to. What were total nucleons coming equal to? Total nucleons. Where we got total nucleons here? See, total nucleons were equal to what?
Mass number.
Sir, either mass number or you can say relative atomic mass. Yes. Okay. Relative atomic mass into what was mass of one nucleon coming to be? Just now we derived it. Just now, previously. mass of one nucleon. See what it was coming out to be equal to. So it was coming out to be equal to 1 AMU.
Yeah.
1 AMU I can say for now. 1 AMU, right? Okay. So it is 1 AMU. Done. See. Sir, atomic mass is nothing but relative atomic mass, which is a unitless quantity. It was a unitless quantity, but now if you are finding out atomic mass, you are giving the relative atomic mass a unit. Which unit, sir? AMU unit. Isn't it? Sir, you are multiplying a unitless quantity, which is a digit, with 1. Anything multiplied by 1 remains the same. The digit will remain the same, but you are multiplying with the unit as well. You are multiplying not with 1, you are multiplying with 1 AMU. So that relative atomic mass is now having a unit called AMU, and that is called your atomic mass. That means, I am repeating once more, that atomic mass is nothing but relative atomic mass in U units. You can write in your notebooks. Atomic mass is nothing but relative atomic mass in U units. Done. Or to simplify this thing, I can say atomic mass is nothing but mass number in U units. I hope I am very, very clear with this part. Very much. You are also very much clear with this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you a table then. Wait. Okay, here itself we can do so, I guess. Okay, can you guys fill this table quickly for me? Can you guys fill this table for me? You have to tell me how many number of protons will be there, how many number of neutrons will be there, what is the mass in U, what is the mass in grams. Can we? Doing it? All of you, right? I can see some pens roaming here and there. No need to multiply, okay? In mass in grams, there is no need to multiply. Okay, I will do the first case, you can match it. So protons in the case of hydrogen is 1, neutrons is 0. Mass in U means it is basically 1 U, and mass in gram will be 1.1 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Like this you only have to put. No need to multiply for everyone, for everything. Just few, maybe 3 or 4 you can do, not all I require. So just I'll be giving you some answers for this. Please match it. It is 6, 6, 12U, 12 into the same quantity. It is 8, 8, 16U, 16 into the same quantity. It is 11, 12, 23U, 23 into the same quantity, right? The rest maybe you can solve at home if you want. No issue. It's like if you are clear with this, then okay, fine. No need to do that further. Okay. I am changing this page now. Now, if you understood this part, then I want you to try this question. Without using the mole concept, you have to try this question. Without using the mole concept. Remember, see, I am given with find out the total number of atoms present in 460 grams and 460 U of sodium atoms. We will do the same question with the mole concept also. We will do the same question with our general understanding of maths also. Let me ask you, okay, can we find out the total sodium atoms first in the case of 460 U of the sample? Total sodium atoms in 460 U of the sample. How many it will be?
20.
Sorry?
20 moles.
20 moles.
460 by 23.
So you are saying reporting the answer in which units? Mole units.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the in 460 U you are saying, or 460 grams you are saying.
It's 460 grams by 23.
Okay, 460 grams by 23. 23 is U, right?
Yes.
How can you convert, like, how are you cancelling out gram with U directly?
460 grams by
Okay,
23
you
grams.
are doing this 460 grams divided by 23, right? What is this 23? I am saying
23 gram per mole.
gram per mole you are saying, okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you are doing, it is like this, and then you will be having 20 moles.
Yes.
Yes, for 460 gram it is 100% correct. Now for 460 U, you have to try. Try to do it for 460 U first, all of you.
20 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 24.
This is for 460 U, you said.
Yes, sir.
20 into
1.6 into 10 power minus 24.
no. No. Okay, let me give you this same thing in another way. Let us say I'm having this pencil, okay? See here, see, everyone, please. For a second, please. I am having this pencil. Okay, let us say I am having a stack of pencils. Like many pencils are there combined together. I am having here itself. Assume. I know the weight of one pencil. I know the weight of a stack of pencils. Like many pencils weight I know. Will I be able to find how many pencils will be there in that stack of pencils? Like how many quantity will be there in that stack of pencils if I have the weight for the total pencils? Isn't it? Can I? I have the weight of one pencil. I know I have many pencils, but I don't know how much I have. But I know the weight of all those pencils combined together. So if I divide the weight of that pencil, all the stack of pencils divided by the weight of one pencil, will I be getting the total number of pencils? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So similarly here also what I am doing is a basic maths I am using like I did for the pencil thing. You put a total weight of all the atoms divided by weight of one atom, weight of one sodium atom.
That is mole. Then we'll get into
Okay.
6.02.
Wait. We will go very slowly here. See. Total weight divided by weight of one atom. Sir, how much total weight is given to us? It is 460 U. And what is the weight of one sodium atom? Equal to the atomic mass of sodium?
23 U.
23 U, sir. Isn't it? Equal to atomic mass? Weight of one sodium atom they are asking. Weight of one atom. One atom weight means atomic mass. Sir, which is represented in U units. Sir, U to U will be cancelled out. 23 to 460 will be cancelled out. You'll be getting 20 atoms itself. Feeling it? Getting it? Okay, very, very easy, sir. Sir, for if you want to find out the total sodium atoms in 460 gram of sodium, then how much it will be? Again, sir, formula will be same, right?
20
Total
into
weight
6.0.
divided by weight of one sodium atom. Now we will do it again. So it will be 460 grams divided by 23. I have to put in here. I have to put here, isn't it? That is the problem, sir. Because weight of one sodium atom we know which is 123 U itself. I said okay, but gram to U will not be cancelled out. Then we know that 1 AMU can be converted to, or U can be converted to gram units by that simple unit conversion, which was by multiplying this value by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24, isn't it? So this is also in grams now. This is also in grams now. Grams to grams will be cancelled out. 23 to 460 will also be cancelled out. So what you are remaining with, what is remained? 20 divided by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 is remained. This is the remainder which I am getting. Can you guys open your calculator, because AP gives you calculator? Can you guys open your calculator in maybe your mobile phone, or if you have a serious real calculator, you can do that. Can you find out 1 by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 is how much?
6.022
0.022 into 10 to
10
the
to
So
power
it is
23.
6.022 into 10 to the power 23, somewhere around this. That means it is, I can write here 20 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this is what? This number itself is called Avogadro's number, called Na. And this is how it is derived. Na. Avogadro's number. And it is, I can write here then, sir, you will be having 20 into Na number of atoms. Capital N, subscript capital A. That is called Avogadro number. Fine. So you are having 20 into Avogadro number of atoms. Sir, 20 into Avogadro number means these many numbers of atoms you are having. See how many number of atoms you are having. 20 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Almost equal to 10 to the power 25 atoms. Almost equal to 10 to the power 25 atoms. Now if I ask you, can you yourself weigh in hand 460 grams? Like, can you feel that 460 grams if you are like putting it, like if you are having that 460 grams anything in your hand? Let us say my phone is 200 grams. If I put it in on my hand, so can I feel that 200 grams in my hand? Yes.
Yes.
460 grams, I will also feel that 460 grams weight. Sir, in that 460 gram weights, to make any species equal to like less than half a kg also, how many atoms are required? How many atoms are required just for any species to weigh approximately half a kg? How many atoms do you require for that? If I ask you, quickly tell me. Are you getting my question? I said that the mass of 460. Hello, hello, hello. Can you see my screen?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Now also it is breaking. It's fine.
No, it's fine now.
Okay. So now I am saying that, let us say that I am having 460 gram of a sample. Can I weigh it using my hand? Yes, sir. You can feel some weight, heavy weight you can feel in your hand. To make that even less than a half of a kg of a weight, how many atoms do we require? How many atoms are required? Sir, it is this quantity, 10 to the power 25 atoms. That means, sir, 10 to the power 25 atoms I can weigh collectively either on my hand, either I can go to a weigh balance and check the weight. Isn't it? Yes. I can check the weight 460 gram. Anyone can check the weight 460 gram by going to the weighing balance. Can you check the weight for 460 U? Sir, how much does 460 U equals to? Convert it into grams first. 460 U, if you want to convert it into grams, you will multiplying it with 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. Sir, this much weight in grams, can you measure? Will it be anything for you? Will you be able to feel this weight? This small quantity will you be able to feel? Can you weigh it using weighing bag? See now, that is why this is only giving you 20 atoms. That means, sir, the U units. See, this was a 460 U weight, right? It was a 460 U weight which you have taken. That means that the U units is a very, very small unit giving you just the 20 atoms in it. So, sir, acha, okay, I will give you one more example. So, maybe sometimes you have went to some markets or something to purchase something, let us say to purchase some vegetables, to purchase some rice or something like that, right? So you might bought 1 kg, half a kg. Your parents told you to okay go to the market. Even my parents told me to go to the market and buy half a kg of rice, let's say. Then okay, it's understandable. I can weigh half a kg. That guy in the shopkeeper can also weigh half a kg. He will give me. But did any time your parents ask you to please bring half a U, not half a kg, 500 U of rice from the market? Yes or no? 500 U. Does any parent ask till the time? No. 500 U, no one asked, sir. Sir, 500 U, no one asked because this U is a very, very small quantity. It cannot be measured by us, by humans. It cannot be measured. That is the first thing. Second thing, sir, then why we are using U quantities? Why we cannot measure atoms in grams itself? Because for atoms, gram is a very huge quantity. You require a small quantity so that you can measure atoms weight, which is in terms of U. I hope this is 100% clear now. Why you have brought one quantity which is U and why gram is not able to tell you the exact things, because you can see if you are measuring anything in grams, it is coming out to be this much grams, 10 to the power minus 24 approximately. It is very, very less quantity. That is why we chose another unit called U. I hope this is 100% clear to you all. Yeah, can I move further? Can we do the same question? Just the last thing, can we do the same question using the mole concept as well? Can we?
Yes, sir.
Mole concept.
Using the
You
Y
are
map.
having mass, divide that mass by the atomic mass or molar mass, and it's done.
Yes, sir.
And you want to find a total number of atoms, right? So how you'll be able to find a total number of atoms? Multiplying with the
Multiply
Avogadro number of
Avogadro
atoms.
number.
I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Other twos, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, cool. Wait, don't go for now. I want to discuss one question with you at least for mole also. Uh, just a second. Let us say I am having a question. Calculate the number of moles in 9.67 gram of NaHCO3. Can we do so? Number of moles you need to find out quickly. So can we find out the molecular weight of NaHCO3 because we need to divide it? What is the molecular weight of NaHCO3 then? Molecular weight will what it will be? So sodium is 23. H is how much? 1. Carbon is how much? 12. 3 oxygen is how much?
48.
48.
16, 3. How much is the total weight coming out to be? 60, 61, 64,
84.
6, uh, 84. And now this molecular weight you can measure in gram per mole as I mentioned there when we were discussing mole concept, right? You can use U also. I will discuss that in the next class, wait. But okay, for now I am taking it as a gram per mole. Fine, sir. And then if you want to find out the mole, it is nothing but the mass over the molecular mass here in this case. So it will be 9.67 divided by 84. This is in grams. This is in gram mole inverse. Sir, you can quickly solve this thing. You can use a calculator in my class, no issue. And gram to gram will be cancelled out. It will be just 9.67 by 84 in moles you will be getting as the final answer.
0.115.
0.115
5.
moles. These many moles one guy got. Can you guys identify, clarify if this is correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Others also correct? Okay, two confirmations I got then. Last one. Last person got the same value. 0.115 moles.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool then. Okay, one more question for you. It is last question for you for this class. How many sugar molecules having the molecular formula of C6H12O6 are there in a sugar cube weighing 3.6 grams? Last question. So use the Y map. You will be able to do this. I don't think so there will be any problem. How many sugar molecules they have asked? Okay. So first, can we find out the mole from here? Then mole can be converted to number of species. Fine. So please tell me what is the answer of mole you are getting. It is 3.6 gram divided by what is the
180.
molecular
180.
mass for this? Sorry,
180. 180.
480.
180.
180. 180.
180.
Yeah, 180 gram per mole. Gram to gram cancel. You can cancel this quantity out also, right? So it will be something out to be 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole. Isn't it?
Yes,
Or
sir.
I'm wrong? Yeah,
Correct,
I'm
sir.
right. 2
Correct,
into 10
sir.
to the power minus 2 moles. Fine. Then can we find out the number of sugar molecules? Number of anything you want to find out. How to do that using mole?
Into Avogadro's number.
Into Avogadro number. So number of sugar molecules will be like 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now I mentioned na, remember that this is having the unit of mole inverse and this is in unit mole. Mole to mole will be cancelled out. You will be only getting a digit value, which is this. Whatever the value you are getting here, it is 12.044 into 10 to
04
the
into 10
power
power 21.
21. Just the value, just the digits, nothing else. It's fine. Now if someone asks you how many atoms are there in these many sugar molecules?
Into 24.
Yes, one answer is correct. Others? Location Ram?
You have to multiply it by its atoms.
Sorry, by its atomicity. Yes, which
So,
is 24. Yeah. So hey, after that, like here, not there, we have to multiply here. Here. Like if you want to find number of atoms, total atoms, so you will have to multiply this value by 24. I hope it is 100% clear to you. I'll be sharing a worksheet with you, some kind of a worksheet type of thing. So you have to complete it before Friday.
Sir,
Okay.
any books we
okay, sir.
should consider for
No
APs?
books at all. There is no specific AP books available in the market these
From
days.
college board also, nothing.
College board doesn't provide you anything. Anything.
Material.
They don't provide even past papers also what you can expect.
Sir, can't we use any reference book?
No problem. Not required. I am saying, please trust me. Trust me. I am teaching AP from past, I don't know how many years now, and I am not a like. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Harmanpreet. I have done my masters in chemistry from IIT Hyderabad, my bachelor's from Delhi University, and from my bachelor itself, I am teaching APs, I am teaching IBs, I am teaching CBSEs, I am teaching JEE, NEET, everything. But APs is my favorite thing to teach. Most easiest thing you can say, and most trickiest thing simultaneously. Now, okay, can you tell me the answer for this question? How many total number of atoms do we have here? Can you quickly tell me? Anyone? Quickly, fast. Just multiply this value. How much you are getting?
289.05610.
Sorry, louder.
289.056 into 10 power 20.
289.056 into 10 to the power 21. Can you report the answer in AP paper like this way? Or
No,
you
sir.
have...
Maximum 5 digits.
Okay, convert it into 5 digits then maximum. Please.
I don't know.
289.06.
289.06 into 10 to the power 21. Is this answer correct according to
Nice,
AP?
sir. Sir,
No.
289 points. That's it. 289 will have.
Okay,
Because
sir. Someone
289.0.
said 289 into 10 to the power 21. Is this answer correct?
Yeah.
No. AP will give you a 0 mark if you are doing this also. So then what is the correct answer actually? The correct answer is that you have to check the number of significant figures you are having in the question itself. And you have to report the final answer in the same significant figure. Like not in the same, but with the least amount of significant figures.
So from question we have to like,
Identify. You have say
okay.
let us say in the question itself, there are three values given in the question itself. When we will be doing that ideal gas equation and everything, na, there will be pressure given, there will be volume given, there will be temperature also given to you. Okay. So let's say I am having something value as 3.0. I am having value as 258. I am having something value as 120, 1270. Let's say I am having these four values. How many significant figures do this have? 3.0?
1,
No.
2,
Yes. 258?
3,
1270?
4,
No.
3.
3, 3,
Yes.
3.
Sir, you can write this value as 127 into 10 to the power 1. Isn't it? Can I? So this is having three significant figures itself. So now, if all these things were given you in the question, you have to report on answer in the least significant figures given in the question. What are the least significant figures given in the question? 2. 2. You have to report the answer up to two significant figures. Otherwise, it's a completely wrong answer for them. You know, let me tell you one more thing, one secret for AP. AP says that 35% of the paper can be solved using only significant figures. Like if you are very versed with the significant figure concept, you can able to solve the question. How? Sir, in the MCQ, what they will say? Okay, what answer did you got? This value you got, right? So in the MCQ, if this question was there, they will write it 289.056 into 10 to the power 21. They will also write 289.06 into 10 to the power 21. They will also write 289.1 into 10 to the power 21. They will also give you um 30 into 10 to the power 22. Yes. No, sorry, not 30. It should be somewhere about, wait. It should be 29 into 10 to the power 22. Yeah. Which answer is 100% correct? According to APs,
D.
sir, D. Because it contains only two significant figures. So if you want to learn something, you have YouTube as an access, right? Go and learn significant figures from there. Just I am requesting you one thing. If you want to do something apart from my studies, go and learn significant figures correctly. If you don't know how to find them.
Okay, sir.
That's all. That's all. Other than that, leave everything on to me. Okay. So This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the class.
Yes, sir.
I don't want
Yes,
to
sir.
bore you guys. I never bore my students. It's like, okay. A little bit boring can be observed when we will discuss atomic structure, some theories, older theories, Thomson theory, Rutherford theory. That time we can be bored.
Next
But
class
other
we'll
than
discuss
that,
these theories, sir.
no, no, no. This unit itself will take at least 4 to 5 classes to finish.
Okay.
Moles and stoichiometry part. Okay, I'll be giving you some questions regarding to the moles and everything for now.
Okay.
Please try to complete it. It's very simple questions you will be having.
So in inorganic will be study S&P block.
No,
Only
no.
physical, mainly physical.
Mainly physical chemistry is there. Then you'll be studying atomic structure as a inorganic chapter. You will be studying
Periodic properties.
periodic properties. You will be studying chemical bonding. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Nothing
Okay,
else.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So I hope this is an enjoyable
Sir,
class. You
like
enjoyed
how
it.
will we do, sir? Abhi May 5th exam hai na? How will we go? What is the flow? Like till when will you
The plan
complete?
of action is I am thinking to complete the syllabus in 60 classes, max to
60
max.
classes.
Yeah,
Okay.
max to
So
max 60 classes will be required for 1 hour each. Sometimes I can extend the classes like today.
so it
Okay,
will be 20 weeks now, sir. Teen class per 1 week we
per
have three
hafta,
classes.
20 weeks. Sorry.
That is 5 months.
Before that only we will be covering the syllabus with
We
along with
have
the
December,
tests
January,
also.
February, March, April. I think we'll finish in April
100%,
ending.
100%. By April your syllabus will be over.
So will you give test papers also? Like
I will
how
give
to do
test
what?
papers also. That test papers we don't have to do it here itself in the class. You guys can take. I will send you the test papers. You just have to complete that
Sir,
at
these
home.
APs should are written in computer or physical handwritten?
So that thing, the MCQ part is totally computer
Computer.
based, and
Okay.
the FRQ parts, the subjective section is handwritten.
Handwritten. Okay.
Yeah, that is handwritten.
So we'll
Okay.
have break in between MCQ and FRQ.
No, no breaks.
Then we'll have
You
paper and
can't even go
computer
to
side by
washroom
side.
also. You can't even go to washroom also. Sit there for
Okay.
whole 2 hour 45 minutes. You have to be there.
Yes, sir.
So we have to be well versed with the syllabus. We have to be well versed with everything. And
Sir, how different it is from JE? वो बताइए. How different it is from JE APs?
J is separate things. J never ask you to write the answers in significant figures or something like that. And the question level of J is much higher as compared to the APs. Again, I'm saying.
अभी हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ इधर application based more है ये या like directly questions they'll ask number questions.
They will ask both the things. They will ask some application based questions, some theoretical based questions also. They will ask some um, practical life questions also. Everything they
Practical.
include. Yeah.
So will we have some any experiments like theory practical experiments question?
Actually, the college board says that we have to do some practicals, but because we are online, we cannot do. We don't have any labs
No,
here. So
theory theory.
that practical part, I will cover as a theory, which they require actually. They will also not say to do go and do the practicals. No, we
No, no,
just
no. Will they ask in question paper
yeah, yeah.
about
The
practicals?
colorimetry experiments are there. The titration experiments are there. The photo electron spectroscopy experiments are there. Mass spectroscopy experiments are there. Lambert BS law is there, which is not the part of your JEE syllabus.
Yeah.
Titration only is the part of JEE syllabus. Other than that, nothing is there.
So in JE we can expect ये chapter से इतने question आएंगे पर इधर APs में expect नहीं कर सकते.
We can expect. I have that thing made ready. That okay, this particular unit is having this much weightage. This particular unit is having this much weightage. Like that.
Can you send it to me? Send it in the
I will
group.
send it in the group if you want. Okay, it's in my other laptop. So
Yes.
let me give me time till 12 or 1 p.m. today.
Okay.
I'll be sharing the
So
homework as well. I'll be sharing that thing as well.
anything we should do like prepare ourselves.
Just
Uh,
complete my homework.
okay.
Just complete my homework. That's more than sufficient.
Okay. Sir,
Okay,
if you
see,
complete the syllabus, you'll do revision also.
sorry.
When you complete the syllabus, you'll do revision also.
See, it depends. Like, first, after the completing the syllabus, my first aim will be to give you the tests.
Okay.
See, you will be able to do I don't know, around thousands of questions till the time we will be done with the syllabus. Thousands of questions will be completed till that time. Seriously speaking. So those many questions are enough, and then the FLT cycle, I call it as FLT cycle, the full length testing cycle. It begins 1 month before your actual exam starts. That
Okay.
means if your exam is, let's say, assume that it's on 5th May,
Yes.
then my testing cycle will start from 5th April itself, and it will be having 10 full length tests which you have to cover. So my syllabus must end before the 5th April.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that till the 5th of May, we will be able to cover that whole full length testing cycle. It consists of 10 exams, 10 tests, which you have to do at your home itself.
Yes,
And
sir.
in between, like when we will be able to see what is my thing, like first mole we will cover, then atomic structure and everything like that, few spectroscopies also, and then in the end we have to cover the thing bonding. After bonding, after these 3 units, I will be sharing with you a sectional test.
Okay.
But a sectional test means like a 30% syllabus test you assume, 35% syllabus test you assume, like that.
Yes, sir.
Then the next 3 units, another sectional test. Then another 3 units, another sectional test, like that.
Yes, sir.
And it will be done in this way. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Will
Yes,
you
sir.
be able to follow
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
homework?
सर अभी suppose in JEE we have atomic structure, periodic properties, ये chemical bonding सब कुछ है ना? ये
Yeah.
APs में भी same syllabus है या extra भी है थोड़ा?
It's not extra. The syllabus is not extra. Syllabus is same,
No, no, no.
but the pattern
Topics.
of
Some topics are there. Extra topics है कुछ.
extra topics are there. See, it depends. You are covering for JEE advanced syllabus or JEE main syllabus. It depends.
Mains बोलिए एक बार. Mains.
Main
Compared
से
to
तो
J
ज्यादा
mains.
है. Topics are more as compared to mains.
Okay.
Because see, the syllabus does not include any organic chemistry. Syllabus does not include any inorganic chemistry as
If
such.
if it the syllabus had organic chemistry, it would be easier for me.
It could be easier for few students. I am also like my favorite chemistry is organic itself.
Yes.
Okay. So, but the thing is, AP does not ask that thing because when you go to the universities, different universities, they will have a separate course for organic chemistry in their third year. So
Okay.
for the first and second year, this AP will help you to just pass it without even studying there in the university. You can just quickly like without doing it, you can pass it. You can skip that course. I mean to say,
Okay.
okay. But organic is necessity there because many of the you can say chemists which are present in this world are organic chemists.
Yes.
Okay. So that is why they prefer students to teach organic chemistry there itself.
So sir, अभी मेरे पास JEE mains के notes है. Like for all the chapters. Should I use them like to go
So
through?
you should first of all clear your aim, what you want to do in life. You
APs.
want to do engineering from India, you want to do
नहीं. I'm telling. Should I use those notes for reference also? या आपके.
my notes are more than sufficient. I am covering
Okay.
more topics as compared to it will be asked in APs. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
I have a master plan also. I'll be sending you today. Okay,
Okay, sir.
don't worry. These topics will be covering in the class itself. So
Yes,
my
sir.
plan will be to complete the syllabus within 54 to 55 classes. I think so. But
Yes, sir.
maybe 4 to 5 classes can be extended also. So if there is a need to extend the class frequency, I might be feeling that okay till the April, it might happen that I might not be able to complete the syllabus. I will increase the class frequency to 4 classes a week. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not now. For now, be with this 3 frequency. It's fine.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay then. I hope everything you are clear with. Any other doubts you have? Other two
Okay.
students?
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So your aim should be 100% clear that okay, you are going to the outside universities, especially American universities, US based universities, and that is why you have taken AP, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Fine. We will meet now on Fridays and then Monday, yeah. So yeah, I'm giving you homework. Please complete that homework by let's say Thursday night. Okay. Thursday night you have to complete it. There will not be so many
Okay, sir.
questions. I will not be pushing you with the so much of the work just for the chemistry itself. It will be around 30, 40, 30, below 30 questions maybe. Okay. Remember, if I am giving you some FRQs as the homeworks, You have to report the answer in accurate, significant figures. Then, otherwise, I will give you a 0 mark in that. Okay? Think it as you are giving an actual AP exam. All the questions. Think in that way. Okay, ji? Fine?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Bye bye then. We'll
Bye,
meet
sir.
later.
Thank you, sir.